Good morning. It is the 5th of October 2012, and we had quite a bit of news this morning regarding unemployment and the rate here in the United States, which supposedly has dropped 0.4 percentage points. There's a lot of speculation as to the accuracy of this drop, and we'll see how the market reacts. Europe markets are up, and our trend right now is up, so we want to be careful on taking a short. We're getting just got a short indicator on the 610, but we'll want to watch this closely. Okay, we have touched this major fib on this short-term fib area. If we get a good bar setup, we'll be in for a short.
Order pending. Order filled.
Okay, we're in for a short. Okay, we got stop filled on that one. Okay, we're in for another short based on a strong move down on 610. Okay, we're making a little progress on this trade. We came down and just about tapped the first target. Okay, we're in for yet another short, looking to get down to this major fib. Okay, we're in for long based on a 100% extension, and we got a support resistance
Target
line
filled.
right there that we hit. Let's see if we can hit that 100 extension. It's a little bit further up at 852.4, but we placed it at 852.3. Okay, we closed that, and we're going to be going for a short now. Maybe a little retracement first.
Order pending.
Nope.
Order filled.
Okay, now we're in for a short, again based on our reaching a SR line and very close to 100. Even if we hit that 100 up here, we'll still hang in there. Okay, based on a 610 coming from a pretty good angle, we're doubling up on our order here. Okay, we just hit a target there. We're still looking for more down. If we get a retracement, we might be looking to get in some more. Okay, placed another short. Okay, we're making a little progress. Still showing good signs for further decline in price. should be able to get to 848.4. So we'll put our target here. And again, if we get a decent retrace, we might want to put in another short. Okay, placed another short. Still got some good indications of coming down. Okay, the trade continues to work in our favor. Still have no reason to get out. Okay, we respected an old support line here. See if we can make it through that. Okay, we seem to be dancing on this support right here. See if we can get through it. Still have indicators pointing down. I'm not watching the charts continuously. This thing's too slow. Back down to this SR line. See if we can pop through that. Okay, we finally popped through this heavy area of support. Let's bring this guy down. I don't know how to separate these targets, so I got a little bit of a problem in terms of managing a runner. I think we've got a runner situation. So I just moved the target down. A little before the low of this fib area. Okay, we keep coming back after retraces down to this this level again. 48.4. Is the opening range high. See if we can pop through this baby. Okay, we finally broke that support. Just moving very slowly. Here's the 4181 looking like it could come over nicely and close on the next BB below the upper Bollinger. That's a possibility. If that happens, that's huge. Okay, we've popped down again. We're into this deep area. That's another. This is a potential area where a reversal could occur. 610 has come to the center line, which is often a stall area, sometimes even a reverse area. We're starting to look like we're going to have some separation on 987, and 1597 looks like it may stay on the rail. Okay, here we go, even further. We're at the bottom of these deeps. I don't know that we're going to respect that. No, we didn't. We didn't. And we are going into just about a free fall here, ladies and gentlemen. We've got the target now one tick above the opening of the day. That's a point that often serves as a magnet. I was tempted to put another trade in at this pullback, and I thought, no, I don't have that much guts. Okay, we're in a stall at this level. It makes it attractive to get out at this level and take the gains, but indicators aren't saying to get out. Okay, we're back down to this support line. We'll see if we can pop through. It's proving to be pretty significant. In evaluating the MACDs, we are getting separation, so that implies that we could have a potential reverse coming up. On the other hand, we are getting pretty good BB spacing, pretty powerful. So, plus this is huge. If this 4181 closes below this Bollinger Band, we're going to have a real strong indication of more down. Okay, the volumes have sunk to really unacceptable levels. It tells us that, you know, it doesn't take that much to control price, and momentum can be diminishing. Let's see what happens. You know, I say that, then the price goes down a few ticks, and then I'm still in it. You know, this is so difficult. Okay, we finally broke through this heavy-duty level of support, so let's see if we can get down to the opening. Okay, we're at the point of a previous pivot at 830. See if we can break through this. There we go. It's amazing. Okay, we've got to move this target. I'm going to treat this as a runner. Move it to where? I don't know, but a runner's a runner. Okay, I've marked 846. That's a previous point of support, resistance, what have you. We've also moved into lunchtime in New York, so that's another little red flag that says, hey, you don't know what's going to happen when the big boys go to lunch and turn their badges over to the little boys. Wow, we just keep dropping, and all systems are go for further down. Mr. Freddy can't move the target down fast enough. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, we have passed the open. We are respecting it right now. I think it's actually right here. And now we're dropping below it. Wow. One thing I did have in mind was that what goes up must come down. That's certainly not always the case, but when you have a rapid rise up, I believe that statistically you often have not a rapid rise down maybe, but a counter to that motion. Ladies and gentlemen, we just keep going down. This is amazing. Let's see, coming into a pretty congested area from early morning. We're right at a pivot point, and we've got a couple more levels of support resistance coming up. We'll see if we can get through those. Okay, here we are back with a little retracement to the open. I'm thinking we're still going to drop further. So the open was right 45.7. Doggone it, man. Anyway, we're right where the open occurred, right here. So we are respecting that figure. This 43.5 level represents the deep fib, so we could get there on the overall fib area from 7:30 Central Time this morning. And here we go right back up to this opening. We are really respecting that number. Okay, we've got a significant retracement here. If I get stopped out, so be it. I think we're going to have some further down. Okay, my stop got filled, and I think this thing is going to turn around and go back down, but you know, that's it for trading for me today. Let's see how we did. Okay, this is the best day I've had, but it is a mixed bag. We had 3 stop outs, which, you know, I shouldn't have been trading after the second one, but I did see, and I didn't go into revenge trade mode or I'm left out mode. I went with my indicators, and we did have indications on these first 3 that you know, didn't go right. They were all shorts. These were all shorts, and I was going with a bias that the market wouldn't fall for the unemployment rate figures, which have to be bogus. And so I came in with a bias, and that's not the way to trade as a technical trader. I've got to, and what I'm going to do is on my checklist, I'm going to list my biases as part of my warm-up procedure, and do my best to say, you know, I don't care what the news is. I'm just not going to trade during the news. I'm not going to try to outthink the market. And in any case, I hung in there for long. I got a real nice signal on a short, and that went 21 points. Now the 21 points were made up of 2 add-on trades, so it wasn't a 21 point run. And it just, every time, once in a while when it pulled back, I thought I'd get in for a little more. That may have seemed like revenge, but the indicators look so good that I stuck with them, and it paid off. If you got some comments on this, I'd appreciate it, because I'm here to learn. Anyway, let's take a quick look at the trades. Okay, my first trade was, let's see, 12 minutes after opening, so that's a pretty decent time to watch. Right here, this BB jumped down from above. That was a strong indicator. Got in late, and I'm not sure what that's about. Maybe I'm looking around at other things. Got in late, made some headway, went sideways, and I've got to learn to fear losing money. Instead of hope I don't lose money, I need to fear losing money. And I could have gotten out of this so many times with the break even. And especially here right at the end, you see that there's a pretty nice V up on 610. That's saying get out, get out. Alright, so I hung in there. Used that same indicator to go for a long, and I had pretty much the same situation. No, I stand corrected. That's the first trade. Okay. Here again, here we had a V down, but it wasn't from above. You can see on the 610 there that BB before the reversal is on the Bollinger Band and not above, so that wasn't a valid signal, but I got in anyway and got stopped out. And again, I had so many opportunities to get out without too much damage, so I need to learn to manage that. Finally, I decided to take a long, and what was that based on? That was just based on 610 coming out of the zones and a strong upwards indicator. So that wasn't the best trade in the books either. I'm not going to be giving myself good grades for today. Did hang on that, got the first target. Things started heading downhill, so I moved up the second target. Okay. Then here's the trade. We had a pretty nice curve and then a BB down on a 610, as you can see. The two charts above, the 233 and the 440, were in good agreement. So I got in this short, made first target. There was a pullback, got in for a second entry. Then it took forever for this guy to finally come down, but look what's happening on the 610. It's down all the way, down, 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 and it accompanied by 987, down, down, down. Had a nice signal down on the 1597. Lots of separation on 4181. So I knew it had pressure. I knew it had pressure to go down, and finally it did. And then we had a couple nice rides. I thought of another, getting in with another set of shorts here or here, I can't remember which, and then down, 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 came back and stopped me out. I wouldn't be surprised if this continues down, but we're going into lunchtime right about here. So when this bottomed out, maybe I should have gotten out, because lunchtime in New York is not a time to be in a trade, as I've been told. In any case, I'm very thankful for the trading today, that I hung in there, and best of great weekend for you, and we will see you next week.